Everyone, gather around. I'll explain later. Please, just drink what I'm about to give you.
Our wounds have healed?
Why is Miss Cha still down for the count?
Her injuries must be too serious. I'm not strong enough to heal her. She's slowly growing weaker. Looks like things are about done here. We have to get moving before more ants arrive.
All right then.
I'll draw the rest of them to me. Ma, please, take care of her. It's over.
You got it.
Strike!
This is the end! Lightning Blitz! You can't avoid it! Vanish into the shadow of the moon! We won't detect it! I'll end this! Lightning Blitz! An opening! Strike! Vanish into the shadow of the moon! I'll shred you! Destroy them all! Enough with the jokes. You're an unworthy opponent. We won't detect it.
Let's roll.
I see it all. It's no use. You can't avoid it.
Strike!
Arise. Time to warm up. Lightning Blitz! I'll shred you!
Let's roll.
I'll end this! Vanish into the shadow of the moon! It's over! Strike of wrath! Time for a counterattack. It's no use.
Let's roll.
This is the end. Vanish into the shadow of the moon. Destroy them all. I see it all. Too slow. I'll shred you. jokes. You're an unworthy opponent.
Let's roll.
I'll end this!
Your king was not outside. He was not the king. Are there others you call king? If that thing's back, then... Damn it.
Son!
Are you the king of the humans?
A talking insect, eh? Now you're acting more like a bug. I still have a long way to go.
Mr. Sung! Where did he go?
A mage should never get so close to their enemy.
I think he underestimated it. Must have gotten him. You are weak. You must not be the king.
You talking about me?
Are you the king? Mr. Beck, Mr. Chang, are you sure Sung's a mage type? I knew he was powerful, but this is...
Too slow. Weak point detected. Tearing through. Strike. Rat. You can't avoid. Destroy. Come on. An opening.
Let's roll.
Strike! I see it all. You're an unworthy opponent. Tough guy, huh? It's gotta be that exoskeleton. So annoying. Weak point detected. Teleport too slow. It's over.
Let's roll.
Playtime's over.
Strike. Rat. I'll end this. I see it all. An opening. Time for a counterattack. You can't avoid it. Strike. Weak point detected. Destroy. Come on. I see it all. Too slow. White flames. This is the end. Enough with the tricks. You're an unworthy opponent. I'll shred you! Strike!
Let's roll.
opening. I see them all. Lightning blitz. It's over.
Let's go.
Time for a counterattack. Too slow. Lightning blitz.
I'm losing. A battle of strength. Who? If he's all about strength, there's no point facing him head on. My true strength lies in my speed. Playtime's over. He dodged.
Come forth.
I am the king. So why?
That was nothing.
Mr. Sung! Miss Cha is...
Damn it. I shouldn't have waited. She needs a healer, fast, and I can't use Shadow Exchange. It's still in cooldown. Plus, I don't know if I can teleport with another person. I haven't tested it yet. I could try to fly her out on Kaiso's back, but she couldn't possibly last the whole flight. Maybe the Blade Guild still has a healer alive. There has to be a way. Everyone, find Min Byung-gu's body! Will this work? It's all we've got. Arise. No. My extraction skill is high enough. He wasn't stronger than me. Maybe he doesn't want to become a shadow. And maybe pushing him into this is wrong, but... we have to save the person who's still alive. Arise.
Mr. Sung! What have you done to Byung-gu? Wait, do you have the power to... Can you control the dead? Is Byung-gu healing her?
I can tell what a remarkable person Mr. Min was. He didn't need to hear a word from me before he started healing Miss Cha. He had a good heart.
That thing is no longer Byung-gu.
You're right. The more the battle rages on, the more powerful he becomes. What a frightening ability.
You'll probably take part in more battles in the future. And listen, I'm sure Byung-gu's abilities would come in handy. But that man, he hated violence. So please, don't make any part of him stay on the battlefield.
That's the second time. You've grabbed me without asking, Mr. Beck. There's one difference, though. This time, you're not giving me an order. I can tell that this is a heartfelt request. I understand, and I agree. Terminate extraction.
Thank you.
The hunters have returned! I'm going to stay behind.
Sorry?
I still have some unfinished business to take care of.
That's true. This raid isn't over yet.
I'll clear the path and get rid of the remaining ants. Well then, I'll see you later. It's just business as usual.
You can't avoid it! Weak point detected! You call? This is the end! It's over. Destroy them all! It's no use. I'll end this. Enough with the jokes. Weak point detected. Vanish into the shadow of the moon. I'll shred you. Lightning blitz. Too slow. This is the end. Destroy them all. Lightning blitz. Strike. You can't avoid it. Weak point detected.
Let's roll.
Tearing through. You're an unworthy opponent. Time for a count.
It's no use. I'll shred you.
Let's roll.
Strike! Too slow. Weak point detected.
Time for a counterattack.